Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can ask for help regarding the uses of Pinterest on the Pinterest app itself. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, select three dots icon. Next, tap on settings and then select the get help option. Here, you can find a long search bar. Tap on it and then ask for your query. Now, in the screen, Pinterest will answer your query. And that's it. This is how you can use the help option on Pinterest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.